Hi there, welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. So in this video, we are going to tell you how you can replace your screen on your MacBook A1990. And if you're looking for a fast, affordable and reliable repair, you can also contact us at 0800 585 222. First, you have to remove these 6 P5 screws using a P5 screwdriver. Remember to keep track of your screws because they are of different size. So you have to keep them organized. After that, you have to grab a suction cup and pipes like this. Be careful, there are locks in this and this position. Then you have to push it outside like this. So first you will need to disconnect the battery. So this is the connector for the battery. You have to pull it like this, and then you have to disconnect this using a T5 screwdriver and gently pull it up for like around 45 degrees so that it doesn't touch it. Then you have to remove these brackets. Then you have to use T4 for them. Next we will remove these metal brackets for the display connectors. You can use a plastic prying tool to disconnect it. Then using a T5 screwdriver, remove these 4 screws. Then you have to remove these P2 screws to free up the Wi-Fi antenna and these cables as well. There is also a T4 screw there as well. After removing these screws, you have to disconnect these cables for the Wi-Fi antenna. And then you can gently pull it out. Then grab a T5 screwdriver and remove these 4 screws. So the screen assembly is almost free. Now you have to remove these hinge screws. That will require you a T8 bit. So you have to keep it like this. Just be careful not to damage your touch bar. This is a T8 bit. Now we will remove these. So this is the screen for a MacBook A1990. If you're looking for high quality replacement parts, you can find the link in the description for this screen. You can order it. Now we are starting the reassembly for this one. Carefully line it. Yep. install this T5 screw, and then use a Then go ahead and connect the screen to the logic board. After installing the screen to the logic board, you can just install the remaining brackets as well. Before installing this connector, just make sure that your screen is properly connected. If the connector is loose or like not properly installed, you will face screen related issues like lines or no display and that kind of stuff. Next, go ahead and install the brackets remaining for this one. Use the 3/4 screwdrivers to install these brackets. And lastly, you have to connect the battery. So for that, you have to use a T5 screwdriver. Press it down a little bit and install the screw. And then gently pull it inside and press this lock. So it's done. You have successfully replaced the screen. Now we have to install the back cover. And that's how you can replace the screen on your MacBook A1990.